Yeah, my name is Nella and I come from Sweden. Currently I work in a emergency call center for animals and also doing tantra massages on the side occasionally. About a year and a half ago I was out traveling and I was looking for a new direction in life as I was a bit frustrated with my current situation, and somehow I stumbled upon a video of Somananda showing Tantra massage, a demonstration. So I immediately felt I had to join this course of Tantra Massage Therapist Training. So I did. And since I also was drawn to the school because it's authentic teachings, it felt natural to also come here to India to do the meditation teacher training. I intend to teach meditation and Tantra massage, as I've completed a Tantra massage teacher training earlier this year. How things have changed for me after joining courses and implementing Hatha yoga practice and Tantra massage practice is that I have grown immensely as a person. My confidence was quite low before, and now I feel it's getting to a better level. I just feel more happy in life. I feel a purpose. I wanted to explore the Tantra with the Somananda Tantra School because it felt like it was authentic and from a place of love and humbleness. And for a woman, for myself, it's very important to feel safe in an environment. I'm very apprehensive to certain things out there. And seeing that it's a school with a female head teacher and the head teacher Somananda and also Dharmananda, they just very good at creating an environment where you feel safe and you can open up to your vulnerabilities, and you're always taken care of whatever it is that comes up. Male and female, we're all together as humans in there. It's nothing sleazy or anything. It's just beautiful and loving. Another reason I decided to join the school and their Tantra massage courses, for example, is that I know they have an application process. So you apply to join a course, and then the head teacher, Somananda, he screens out the people who are not maybe so suitable to participate in the school. This makes it possible to select a good group that will work good together and does not come with energies that might not be beneficial to the course. Anyone curious to participate but maybe a bit hesitant because they don't really know what this kind of Tantra is in this school, you can always contact the Tantra school itself, sending an email. I'm sure they would be happy to talk to you if you have any questions, face-to-face in a Skype meeting or something. And especially for the women, I would say, who might be hesitant to participate in a course like the ones offered by this school, you got nothing to worry about because is a safe environment. And personally for me, it has changed everything in regards to the sexuality and the feeling of confidence inside. After attending one of these courses, it feels good to be a woman in a woman's body. Before attending any of the courses, I had problems attaining pleasure, orgasmic pleasure in my sexual life, and it created some sort of feeling of shame maybe, or something was wrong with me. And attending the Tantra Massage Therapist course, I realized that it's a very common problem women have today. And there's nothing wrong with them, it's just we're not educated how. But now I feel I've landed in my body as a woman, and I'm on this path of discovering more about this tantric sexuality, which is just a small part of the tantric teachings. And for me, it's created a freedom inside to tap into this potential I have. And it's nothing wrong with feeling pleasure and just expressing your sexuality if you wish, whoever you want to express it with. Just a calmness and a centeredness that wasn't there before in myself. confidence. And it doesn't matter which shape or form you have as a woman, everyone should be able to feel these things inside and know that it's our birthright to tap into this orgasmicness, or however you may call it, because it's not any point in suppressing it at all. It's for everyone who wants to explore this path, I would say. One of the reasons I wanted to become a Tantra massage teacher is that I identify with these women who have problems with their sexuality, that they feel held back and they might not be able to get an orgasm, and they struggle for years. And this does not only affect your sex life, it also affects your whole life if you go around and be miserable, or you might not even identify what it is. But if you and your partner, for example, can connect in another level, in another way, which is the tantric way, I would say, then it can be completely mind-blowing, and you can change your whole lives. And connection you get together will be, yeah, amazing.